The Bureau of Meteorology via their tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the western region updated about 1400 hours yesterday. A trough with an embedded tropical low lies to the north of the Cocos-Keeling Islands near 9 south. The tropical low has a low risk of developing into a tropical cyclone from Tuesday, and if it does, then it is likely to move west away from the islands. The proximity of the trough and tropical low is likely to see squally showers, thunderstorms with moderate to heavy force continue at the Cocos-Keeling Islands, along with the possibility of fresh to strong easterly winds. And whilst the percentages for today remain very low, percentages for Tuesday or Wednesday, day 2 and 3 of the outlook period, is low. However, another tropical low is currently a long way northwest of the Cocos-Keeling Islands near 3 south 80 east. It has a moderate risk of developing into a tropical cyclone from Wednesday, but is only chance of moving into the region east of 90 east from Thursday at the earliest. The system is expected to pass to the southwest of the Cocos Islands if it moves into the region. The proximity of this system associated trough could see the moderate to heavy force continuing at the Cocos Islands for the remainder of this week, and the Bureau of Meteorology has percentages for the 3-day period at this point in time very low. On the screen is an early look at modelling tracks on Invest 90S, and in our next update we'll bring the latest information from the Bureau of Meteorology. There are 3 areas of interest in the South Indian Ocean. We have 91 and 92, which are Invest. Upper level divergence remains the same, 40 knots. Wind shear .24-hour shear tendency. Bureau Meteorology is keeping an eye on a weak low pressure system. New Caledonia, it also has the one quadrant, clockwise winds, the 850 millibar vorticity, and you can see the 2 areas of interest. There's also one close to Madagascar over there in the western Indian Ocean region, and the upper level divergence very strong, where the weak low, it's around 1008 millibars at this point in time. And again, the GFS precipitation model. In our next update, we'll have a look at the 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall from the Bureau. And the Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland at the time of doing this update has a severe thunderstorm warning for the northern region of the Maranoa. The instability outlook, this is out to about 10 a.m. tomorrow, Tuesday. Now we have a look at a couple of models. And finally, we do have a developing tropical scene in the southern hemisphere.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.